because Green Chef doesn't necessarily like give you a lot of control. They have a lot of vegan options, a lot of gluten-free options, but some things that weren't gluten-free I was still interested in, such as these kidney bean patties. So I ended up just grabbing it. I gave my boyfriend the regular breadcrumbs that came with the recipe, and then I obviously substituted my breadcrumbs with the cauli crunch that you guys see, and I just made it in 2 separate bowls. Just in case you're not vegan and you were wondering, these patties are made from beans, chia seeds, seasoning, breadcrumbs, and the paprika Dijon aioli that comes with this recipe. All right, y'all, I'm about to try the kidney bean patties. Do not mind my mouth. I just had hibiscus tea, so it like dyed my mouth black. How you like it? I like it though. I really like this. It's really flavorful, and I like the fact that it's like really colorful and flavorful. It's not like lacking in flavor at all. The aioli is like the perfect amount of spice. I love this. Super good. This is how the burger looks in the middle. I know it's not focusing, but it's a little beany in the middle. Like, it's a little bit softer, but the crispy outer part, like, it just all blends together really well. So I can't complain about this one. I really, really, really love this. Y'all, this is so good. Like, I'm about to go make another serving. Who would have thought that mushroom and black beans was a good mix? But this tastes good. So because this recipe isn't all the way vegan, I'm gonna be using vegan cheese. This is the vegan feta I'm gonna be using, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw out the regular feta. This meal was veggie, but when I looked at the recipe, I realized everything else in the recipe is vegan except for the feta. So I'm going to throw this out and replace it with the feta. Sorry if this isn't the best lighting, but I don't feel like doing all my lights and all this extra shit. It's definitely giving vegetables. It's giving Mediterranean vegetables. That's my boyfriend. He in the bathroom smoking. If you haven't tried the vegan feta that I showed y'all that I used, you should try it. It's so good and it's super creamy. I love it. But yeah, this I would get it again, but it's just very like tangy and vegetable-y. And yeah, that's how I feel about it. But it's good. Like, it's calm. It's not nasty. It's not nasty at all. It's just a different taste for me. And don't mind my bun, y'all, because don't mind this. I'm moving out of my apartment. I got a whole lot going on. This Green Chef has a lot of baking. So that's something to consider. You need a good, you know, baking tray messing with Green Chef, because you're going to be baking something and you're going to be doing something on a skillet. You're going to be multitasking in the kitchen. So